Na festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana. Festa do fim de semana, só um rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, semana, pana, 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 pana. Na festa do fim de semana. Pana, 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 de semana. Pana, 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 de semana. Pana, 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 de semana.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new stream. This is the third stream for today. And guess what we are doing? Of course we are coding our beautiful farm application. This is what we live for, right? So let me just check something real quick. So this is the Discord server coming soon because we are slowly growing. I'm so glad that at least we have something that we don't have before. We should appreciate every single advance we make. You should appreciate what we get. And for now, even if I only have 6 subscribers, my channel is growing. I'm so glad to. I'm honestly really happy. So let's close some tabs because they would occupy my RAM memory. Then let's go to YouTube Studio. I should set up, I should put a subscriber count because, I don't know, it seems, wait, I need to go here. It seems a good idea, but look at this, like, today we gained 3 subscribers. For me it's a lot, like, wow. I literally made one video. I literally published one video yesterday, and I was literally celebrating 3 subscribers. Like, oh my god! Like, as I said on the previous stream, like, wow, people actually care for what I'm doing. Like, what? Yeah, it's actually. It's actually apparently people care, and this makes me happy. So let's keep going with our farm application, right? So we managed to make this part work. Like we have real-time checks Ooh, I don't like this part. Hold on. So, okay, it wasn't refreshed. Okay. So, as you can see, we can the fields are checked. Like you can are are checked in real time, except the last one because it's not required. So it's pretty cool. Look at this. Like this also reduces our traffic. So it's cool. It's real time checks are always the best, and also it actually optimizes traffic. So this is a win to win. This is a win to win, guys. What we are talking about. And if we submit this, of course we get the same error. But actually, this is, I think this is. Wait, did we? Okay, we actually submit, and look at this. This field is required. Even if you submit this, it will still get an error. Like it won't be submitted. So look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that cool? Now, what we need to do is to create this field is required. Like this message is the default message. So you have because this is the required field. This is the required attribute. So even if you even if you set data xgo farms data, and then we put our this, and then we check the where is it? Oh, this is another array. Okay, right. This is the first element, and then we set required to false. Well, we can do that, and it's not required anymore. But this works, and yeah, we can hack this system. But if you put this as a rule, you cannot do it because there is also a backend check. Let's put this back to true. So yeah, this is the only issue that we have with attributes only values. Yeah, this is pretty much how it works. So the color field doesn't even have the required attribute because it automatically gets selected. Like it automatically selects a color. You cannot undo this action. You cannot wait. Let's try to set this to remove the values. It's black. It's just black. Like you get the black color. If you submit this, let's check the payload. You submit the black color. Like there is no way to not have values on the color field. There is literally no way, right? So what do we need right now? Right now we created a rule here, and this rule, or of course, like it checks if there are bad words. In this case, we have this word right here, and expect should be false because if we get this word, like if we get this word, it shouldn't be here. So we have to set the expect to false, right? Uh, this isn't that immediate, but it works. But this is the backend check. We should do the front end check, the front end checks, right? So this is. Wait, where is the other one? Okay, here it is. So, what do we have right now? So, first, we have a bit, we have more spacing. This could be annoying, but don't worry, I will find a solution to make it suitable. It already looks good, not gonna lie, but this looks better. So of course, we will find a solution for this. Don't worry, don't worry. I got your ass. So, but the okay, we have this. The background checks work. I mean the backend. The backend checks works, but the front end it doesn't do anything. Like if you type this word, like it won't be notified. Like it doesn't notify you in real time. You will get an error, and luckily you get an error, but you won't be notified in real time, and we don't want that. I actually tried to put that on the previous stream, but I had some issues because it's kind of confusing. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of confusing because everything is PHP script and it's so confusing. Like you have to print PHP script, and also you have some temporary script that was supposed to be in another way, but then I changed the things around because I wanted to add more features, right? I could just not like not waste my time to implement the rule system and the app at this point will be published, but no, we want things to be done. Like we want everything, right? We want like I can also publish this version is fully functional, but no, we want real-time checks, and users are gonna have real-time checks because that is what we want. That is the best thing for the user, right? So let me just check if I'm still streaming. Okay. So, wait. Oh my god, I wasn't even. Oh my god, I wasn't even on the or the right scene. Like this fucking double screen confused me. Like, oh my god. Okay. So I don't know if I was still on this fucking screen. Let me just try to check. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I wasn't. Okay. Luckily that wasn't the case, right? Yeah, you can't see anything. You can see everything. Okay. I got a fucking heart attack for a second. Like, I would hate OBS if it wasn't capturing the right window, the right scene. So we have. Okay, that's what we have, and we should create a single save and apply button for everything, like for the form, for the events, and I don't know why it does this. Like sometimes it glitches out and it's so fucking annoying. And then for the rules, we will have a single save button, because having three, three different save options makes everything confusing. Our job is to create a nice interface for the user, right? So for now, let's delete this, because we don't need it. Like, it's ugly. Like, it's not ugly, but uh, we 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 already made an example for this four elements, right? So let's use them. So you have this form. Look at this. Everything, it works properly. We have, holy shit, we have something here. What is this? What is this? That's the sixth element that got deleted. We should hard refresh this. No, it still doesn't work. Probably because uh, probably because what's the actual reason for that? So let's hit 7 apply here, and let's see if we still have the same error. We still, where does it come from? It's just the add email listener. Okay. This is not good. This is not good at all. Like, if you hit enter, like, you shouldn't have this error, but we have. It's right here. Why do we have this error? I don't know. We should try to investigate this. Okay. What is this error? What is this? Let's try to print xgo forms data f2. We have 6 elements, right? But the last elements doesn't even exist. So what's going on? Probably we should save the event, right? Let's try again. And now the error is gone. So I know why. I know why this happens, because we have 3 save buttons, and the event management save system was synchronized with the form. So that's another issue that we have if we put 3 different save options. It's a mess, and we want to avoid that, right? So the thing is, we now have to do these checks, right? Let's see what the PHP script generated for us. For some reason, I put the console log out 2 times. I put this twice. I don't know why. I don't know what I was thinking about. Maybe I should print that after we created these checks. But if we notice, we don't have any checks. Like, we don't have any condition, right? This is not good. This is not good at all. So that means the program actually cannot recognize if there is a rule actually or not for now. So if we go on ifs.js.php. Let's try to find the, oh god. So we have this function, right? Let's see if something happens if we put echo. Like we put echo and we will print zxc, and if we don't have this part, actually we should do this. Wait, no, not here. We should do this on the for each, right? Not this for each. Where the fuck is it? I completely lost it. Oh, here it is. So let's see if that works. So we have, we should always save this. Now let's try to hard refresh this. We don't get any error, but let's try to check the sources, and then let's check the farm script. Let's try to find zxc. Did I write this correctly? Yeah. And as you can see, there is no element right there. Interesting. Really interesting. It's not supposed to be like that. It actually is not supposed to be like that. We actually have the rules. We have the rules, right? Let's try to print, I don't know, rlang. Wait, what's the actual function for the array? Oh, it's count. Okay, yeah. Let's check if we have the rules, right? I will just print this. So let's go here. Let's save and apply this. Let's hard refresh this, and now let's check if we have. Let's try to find 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 2. Okay, so it should enter here, right? But for some reason it doesn't. This doesn't happen. Like there is no zxc. There isn't. So I don't know what's going on here. Like there has to be some issue here. Like the rules exist, right? And what's wrong? Do we get any warning? No, we don't get any warnings. But if we try to search this, like it doesn't appear. Like it's so weird. This has to be working, right? Oh wait, I fucking dumb. I forgot to put this. I should put this, not echo. So let's try to check if we have ZXC. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have this, but do we actually have ZXC? We don't. We still don't have any ZYXC. ZXC. We don't have any. Why is this happening? I'm trying to figure out. I'm relying on bed because so I would be. I would probably. Okay, so I can probably be more focused. So what do we have here? For some reason it doesn't even enter the loop. Like the count is rule. Like the count is 2, right? So it should be okay, right? We can also check because we can also check it here. The count is 2. What's going on? Why is it doing this? This is so weird, actually. I'm trying to understand what could be wrong here, but it seems like it doesn't. It's like it doesn't loop for no reason at all. Like we also put this, but it doesn't even get printed out. Does it? Let's try to save it again. Do we have everything set up correctly? Wait. Oh, there it is. We found the fucking issue. 136 and 37 on EastGS. So let's go on the line 136, and let's see if we find something. So that's the argument, right? Okay. I probably didn't pass it correctly. Let me check where is it called. Wait, what? Wait. So it gets called uh wait what is this? I just need to search for it. Okay, no problem. So we get this. That's weird. So we have data right here. Probably data is not an associative array, but alright. We know what's wrong. We know. We should put exp right here. Yeah, dumb mistake. Yeah, I know. But now everything should work fine. Okay, there is no text. That's a good sign. So let's hard refresh this. And now we should have the right event. The event should appear here. And where is it? There we go. We also have the commented ZXC. Good. Then we have where is it? Where is it? I don't know. Did I forgot to include this? Maybe. Um, let's try to search for bad words. We still don't have the fucking message. But does it work at least? So we type. It still work. Not good. Not good. This part isn't applied. Also, let's comment this out. This should be appended here, right? But for some reason, it's not. So if we try to check this, okay, it should be this one. For some reason, there is no string here. Interesting. Sus. This is sus. What's going on? Like we define cont, then we define like we have this if else statement. Alright, do you know what? I'm fucking dumb because I didn't append this. Like, I just resigned. Oh my god, that was probably the issue the whole time. Let's try to check this real quick. No, it should be there. Like bad. Uh, wait, it's still not. It's still not. Let's see if we get some errors. We get nothing. Okay. Okay, we found an issue. Like there was an issue right here. Um. I don't understand because everything gets returned, so everything should be correct, right? Also, what is this? This is an empty text. That's probably why. Oh god damn it! Hold on. We have we have data, and then we have this part here, and this is the on violation MSG. That was the issue. I think this is the issue. Let's save and apply, and then let's hard refresh this. And now I can already see it. Here we are. No bad words allowed. Let's try to test this out. We finally managed to make it. Okay, I think it's too soon, but if we. Okay. I broke everything. Fuck is not defined. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Sorry. This error is so fucking funny. I'm so sorry, but what? Also, where the fuck did the chat go? I closed the fucking chat. Let me just reopen it. Oh fuck you. I need to. Let me just do this and the chat is back. We are back, chat. Chat, we are back. Okay, this is fucking funny. Like, fuck is not defined. Holy crap! It's so funny because I didn't even want to display this type of message. So we have this. We have to wrap everything here like that. Now let's save it again and let's try again. So we have we still have the same error. Wait, this isn't. We still have to do it here. We still have to do it here. Okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. We already fixed that. We already fixed that. Calm down. And now we finally have it. So let's try it. No, it doesn't work. Okay. So let's see. Let's check the sources, right? So we have to push this, and this actually should work, right? Yeah, it should. Now we have t dot value, and that's the target, right? Wait, am I checking the right thing? Hold on. Yeah, okay. I don't know why. I don't know why it doesn't work. Like, the t value is fuck, and when we type it, it should be correct, right? Let me just wait. Let me uncomment this and append this time the output result. So we have this. We have. I still have to save it. Wait. I have to do it from here. Okay. We have this. It's not supposed to be true. It's not supposed to be true. Wait. It actually works. Wait. If we type this, we don't. Okay, we don't have anything. Wait. I know what's going on. I probably know what's going on. I don't know, but we have this part. What the hell? Right. We just have to call the fucking. And everything gets called out here. I really don't understand what's the fuck is this. I actually have the errors, but for some reason it doesn't display it. Wait. Wait. What if no?
So we have the fucking error, but for some reason it doesn't display anything. It doesn't display anything. So this should error, right? Wait, I probably know why. We need the fucking check, of course. I know what's going on. I fucking know. I know. I fucking know it. I know it. I know, I know, I know. Okay, so we have to. I know why it happens. I found the truth. Now let's fucking smash this software. So the reason is we should actually put something here. We should put a condition that checks if this is already valid or not. So if out is valid, it's not valid, right? Honestly, I should put this like this. Then we will. Yeah, I still need to put this braces and then put this here, just like this. Fuck this notifications. So I think that was the issue, the last issue, right? Am I right? Is this the last one? I hope so. So this still works, and it wasn't the last issue. Dang it! What's going on? Actually, oh wait, no, actually, we don't have to check if this is valid. We should just check if if we have field if out field msgs dot length. So we should check if this is 0. Okay, let's see if we finally managed to fix this. Oh god, it worked. Probably, I don't know. Is it working? Yeah, is it? It is, because you also have this what the fuck is this? Yeah. So we should get this. This should be false. Let's set this to false, because this is true if we violate the rules. So let's just do this. Let's go back here, save it, and then refresh this. Okay. Wow, we did it. We fucking did it. We did it. Let's go. Let's go. It works. It works. Wow. My gosh, this was that wasn't that easy. But holy damn, this shit works. Look at this. What if we add a new rule? Like, let's try to add a new rule. Like, let's add this rule. ID info. This is a warning this time. Let's compare this to a fixed value, and then let's type uh 1 2 3, and then only 12. Expect this to be false, and then we put a warning like warning that there is a 12. Let's save and apply. Let's open here. We shall also save it from here, right? So let's hard refresh this, and yep, we got it. We have it. Warning 12. This is so fucking cool. Oh my god, this is amazing. I fucking love it. I fucking love it. This is really cool. Also, we have the type. We also have to specify the type here. Data. And then type. That's the only thing to do, right? Because this is an error. This is a warning. Let's save again. What the fuck?
Bro, what the hell? Who is calling me on Discord? Fuck off.
I must see streaming. Let's check this. Okay, and there are. Yeah, I am. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why does it keep ringing? Okay. What the fuck?
Bro, what the hell? Bro, what the fuck is going on? Someone accidentally started a Discord call, and for some reason it kept ringing for minutes.
Now let's try to hard refresh this, and everything should be. Yep. Okay, I need to adjust the CSS. Where is it? We have assets, link, style, and here it is. Let's just let's decrease this and this, and everything should be alright. right? Yep, here it is. We should also, for some reason, this doesn't get removed. The hell? Hold on. Wait, what? Let's go back here. Oh, I also need to remove. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my fucking god. Oh, can you? Okay. I also need to remove this, right? And then let's remove this. And now everything should be good. Yep. Warning 12. Yep, that's a pretty interesting warning, right? Also, on the on the style.css, we should if we display this, okay, this should grow actually. So we go here, and then we get why does it exit? I don't understand actually. Does it have a fixed width? Yeah. Okay. I can fix this. Let's. Where is it? Oh right, it's on the. It's there. Okay. I should just no, it's not there. It's there. Yeah. That's the minimum weight, and I'll set it to 25 probably. So we have this part. Here we go. Now it works. Probably 22 will be the best choice. Warning 12. And it works. Oh my god, this wasn't that easy. So now let's try to this is actually ignore case is enabled here. So we should just reverse this. Where the fuck is it? We should just reverse this part right here. Right. Let's save it and let's try it again. Yep, it works. Now what if we disable this? Let's try again. So we have this, but now we don't have it anymore. Cool. That's good. That's what we wanted. right? Oh my god. This is great. We managed to create a front-end check for our farm system. We should get the exact same error here. So if we submit this, but we go here, yep. Yeah, it kind of works. Yeah, it just, this is just a backend optimization I made. A little optimization, yeah, nothing wrong with it. Now let's go here, and we have Montserrat and Roboto. And just search for Roboto, and we will apply the style right here. And yeah, this is so good. What's the actual size? 16 probably. Is it 16? Font size 16 pixel. Yep, it is. Let's be consistent, and let's change this to font size 16 pixel, and then we do the same thing here, 16 pixel, just like that. Oh my god, what we are talking about, everything works. So we can, we can just, like, wow. Well, this is good. Wow, I love it. I'm trying to think, what should we do right now? I'm streaming for over 1 hour. Okay. So we implemented the rules. So what do we need? We have to implement everything else here. Yeah. Oh my god. So what we're gonna do? Okay, let's check if JavaScript check if string contains a substring, right? Includes. Wait, this is an embedded function. Let's try it out. Wait. Where the fuck is it? This is the not working option. Now it works, so go away. So we have XYZ contains. There is no. There is. Wait. Oh, what I have? What? I don't know why, but I completely switched word and oh my god, it includes. You dumbass. It includes. Yeah. And this returns false. Yep. Wait here. Okay. So if XYZ includes this, but to lowercase, and then we get this part right here, this will return true, right? Wow, that's what we need to do. That's all we need. That's all we need to do. So yo, good morning, Ghost. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? So the condition will be this. Wait. Probably need t value dot includes, right? Then we don't need this equal sign. Nice. I am working on my own project. Oh, that's cool. What are you working on? What kind of project? And then we just do this. And yeah, we need this to lowercase value dot to lower case right here. It looks a bit complicated, but it's actually not. It's an Android native app, basically a inventory management and invoicing and billing app. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Very cool concept. Are you using like frameworks like Flutter or native JS or simply Android Studio? I wanted to learn Flutter. Like I will someday. So let's copy and paste this right here. Oh god, we should exclude this part. Then we will remove this like this. That should work, right? And then we remove this because we don't need it anymore. So let's try to check if this works. Okay, we implemented Kotlin, actually Android Studio. I want to learn multiple platform development too, but using KMP, I am more familiar with Kotlin. Oh yeah, I get you. Yeah, sometimes sweet changing environment could be like changing environment languages could be, you know, a little bit difficult, but this is a temporary experience that you will encounter. Like it's temporary, so don't worry about it. You will definitely get used to the new framework. So we created this. Okay, the error time checks work. We should just change this part and make it, this is the contains function, and we expect this to be false. Let's see if that works. So if we have like some words here and then we put this, it doesn't work. Let's try to check. Oh wait, I forgot to save it. Let's save and apply this. Let's try again. So we have some random text, and then we have this word, and look at this. Wow, it works. It works. Wow, this is good. And ignore case is disabled, so if we put the F uppercase, it passes, of course. So we just have to put this, we just have to enable this, and let's see if that actually works. So we save it. Now let's refresh this. We put some random text, and then we put this. Yeah, it works. Wow. Yep. Oh, this is amazing. Do you have Discord? Because I'm planning to create a Discord server. Like, I actually have it already, but wait. Oh god, Discord just crashed. God damn it. Let me just restart this. Hope my stream won't crash. Oh god. Wait, I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. Oh, cool. I'm sorry, but I think Chrome is occupying, like Chrome, Visual Studio Code, and OBS are taking memory, and my Discord is crashing. But that's cool. If you want, you can friend me on Discord. Let me send you my username. Oh god. My PC is not that powerful. I hope nothing crashes, but let me just share the. Yeah. Yeah, I know. It's. Let me just. And that's my Discord, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I need to close some tabs up there. Probably this one, and this. I need to close something because my PC is literally exploding right now. Can you see the stream properly? Like, can you? Is it visible? Like, can you see it properly? Also, we don't need this window. Let me close something right here. What's this? Oh, that's the diagram I made. Okay, cool. Okay, at least the stream didn't crash. Thank you. I will probably accept it later. I'm afraid to open it right now because you know. Okay, so let's try to check if everything works on dynamic pages. So we have this word. Yep, everything works correctly. That's good. That's good. So what if we put this 1, 2, then we submit, and and still. Okay, okay. I just managed to make these rules work. Like I don't know if you remember the last time we started to create this little boxes, and now we managed to make everything work. Like the only thing I need to do right now is to um, to style the box better. Like we won't just leave some text here. We will do things way more prettier and way more user friendly, right? But as you can see, everything works as expected. Isn't that cool? Let me just save this. For some reason the Blockly library glitches, but uh, luckily it's a rare case. But we should try to find a way to fix that issue. And yeah, everything works. Does the text get replaced? Yep. To prevent HTML injection. So I think it's very good for now. It works really well. I like the fact that even on dynamic pages we have real-time checks. Pretty cool. We managed to achieve this. So if you like, for instance, if you have a website that loads pages or elements dynamically, you can still implement this. Like you have no issues with that. Uh, let's try to create the same exact thing for the regex and this part. So for the regex, we actually have this flag. We don't use extra functions. We have a flag, the case insensitive flag. So what do we need to do right now? So we have to create the condition. So cond equals to um, this. So let me just check the how JS regex work. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, I also think so. I thank you for your support. Like I tried my best to make it, to make it working. So we have. Don't let me just. Yep. The events work. So yeah, everything works. So let's try to create a simple regex condition. we have hello, should be global, multiline, and case insensitive. What the hell? Dot test, and then we'll test hello, and this will return true, right? So since this is case insensitive, we can also type this, and yeah, we just need to. That's actually the condition. Let me just copy this and put it inside here, and we will concatenate this string with a new with the ternary operator. We will use the ternary operator, and we will check if in our case is true. It will append this, or else nothing will be appended. And then we will just use this function to retrieve the value, like this. Then we have wait, this should be here. Okay, and this part should be should be this. Yeah. Now let's remove this, and it should be already done. Like, it should work. So let's test the regex. Let's test the regular expression option. So let's edit the rules, and let's check if the let's create this this regular expression. Let's put this in our case, and let's save it. Let's refresh the page. Let's place the form, and if this, okay. Oh wait, I forgot to. I also need to save it there. Let's try to refresh this, and let's try to, yep, it still works. Yep. And if we remove this, wait, huh? This shouldn't be, wait, am I, wait, it loaded the old rule. Let me save that again. Let me try again. Oh, now it works. Okay. So we have this. This works, but the other part doesn't. Okay, that's good. We also have the regular expression option. So now the only thing we need to check is the length and the words count. uh, for the words count, I would implement a JavaScript function, like a static JavaScript function. Where is it? So here um, we have this function right here. This is the PHP version. This is the backend check, and we will implement the JS version right here. Probably we need a new category. Probably we need a new section, like probably value. Oh, I don't know if that's good or not. Let me think. We need a name to store. Okay, let me just implement this function. So category. This is temporary, of course. I need to find a good name for this. And then we have to implement the function and words count, and this function will we have the string. Oh god, this is let's remove this and this. Now let's go. Let's do this. Okay. Now we have. Let's remove unnecessary comments. Also, Gus, I don't know if you are still watching the stream, but if you have a name to, like, I created this. This is a JavaScript object, and inside there is like some functions. Like it's like a class with some static methods, but it's actually an object with some definitions, like with some functions defined inside this object. And I split this, by category. Like we have the place function, and the place function is inside the form category. Then we have the submit function, and this is inside the system category. And the only thing is we need to find a good name for words count, and this function simply returns the number of words separated by a space. Like if you input this will return 4 because you have 4 words, right? I just need a good name for you know, to wrap this. Probably string, or no, string is too generic. Um, I don't know actually. Probably values. I don't know. That can be a good, probably a good name. Uh, Let me check if you send me a request. No. I don't think I get it. I cannot see the request. Wait, let me just um I cannot see it. I don't know if you sent me a friend request, but uh, I didn't receive it if you sent it. Let me just do this. Let me remove this. Then we have an unanswered 4. Probably let's see of S. We have to switch C, and then if word is true, let's count. Luckily, programming languages are similar to each other, so it wasn't a huge thing. So let's see if that works. Wait, we have this. So let's type this. Am I still streaming? Let me check. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay. Yeah, I still streaming. I don't know. Let me check if it didn't crash. Okay, I still streaming. Okay, that's good. That's good. So now let's check if values dot words count. Let's check if this works. Get word count function, a string utility for the other, maybe. Yeah, I agree. Let's rename this to string utility. String utility. Yeah, I think it's also a good option. And then get word count. I honestly, yeah, I like that name. I have sent you a friend request. Check again. I think the stream is delaying again. Let me see. Yeah, yep, I can see it. Let me open this and accept it. Yep, I can see it. I can see your friend request and I accepted it. yeah, I like the that name, get word count. But since I created a similar function in PHP, and I use this name, uh, I probably should stick with words count. But I like that name. Thank you for your suggestion. So let's test this string utility dot words count, and then let's check if that works. So we have s. Oh god, I forgot to. Yep, the $sign. Let's try again. Okay, we have one word. We have two words. Okay, then we have this, and we have three words. Okay, it works. Yep, we still have three words right here. Let's try to add a new line. Yep, it works. Okay, that works. It's a simple function that I created yesterday. That's all you need to. That's what you need. Like if you wanna screenshot this in case you also want to implement a similar thing. Also, I think JavaScript would accept. I will leave it. I will leave the let here. And also, let me create a proper indentation, and everything should be fine. Yep. This is the for. This is the switch. Okay. So we have this function, and we can't simply put it inside the ifs.js. So, alright, we also have to switch the. Oh god, we also have to switch the operators. So we have the values. Let's remove this. We should create the. Damn, this is. We create cond. Then inside the cond operator, I mean condition, we put this. Then we have we probably need the yeah, we need the field ID. So t dot value, right? Yep, that's the field value. Okay, then we have to switch all of these statements. So the first part we have this, then we have, let me just put this on single quotation mark just to, then we have to switch this, and this should be appended we should create this and append it here, right? So let's do this. Oh god. We have this. Then we have this. Also, we should append these values. Then we finally have the last one, which is the minus, or which is less than or equals to. Okay, and then the only thing we need to do is this is data. Now the only thing we need to do is we just need to append the other value, and so what do we need to do right now? So we have the operator. We don't actually, yeah, we need that. So count equals to probably the actual value, like data args count value. That will be the, yeah, I think it should be like that. Let's check if this works. So let's create a new rule. Let's add a new rule. This time it's a words count, and this element should have 5. Like, we should throw a warning if this element has 5 words, and the ID is actually ID info. Then we expect this to be false, and then we have a warning. We have a warning. You have 5 words. Let's see if that works. Let's save it. Right? So we have this, and we have the event management system. Then we have, let's refresh this. Oh, we have an error. Okay. We forgot to append something. Let's see. Oh, that's weird. So we have t dot value not equal. Wait. This should be equals. Why isn't this? Wait, what? Wait, did I save everything? Let's try to refresh this. We still have this error. And for some reason, this is not equal. We break this. Yeah. We break this. But even if I put this, even if I put equal, it doesn't. That's weird. That's weird. I think this is a server error. Like, I mean, I think when we actually save the rule, we probably get an error, right? Let's try to check if there is any error. Nope, there is no errors. There are no errors here. This is weird. Also, why am I... Wait, what is this? Okay, there is a break. Like, I don't know why, but I put a random break here. I don't know why, but okay. Oh wait, I know why. Okay, wait. It should be there, but actually this part should be there. Okay. Okay, I think we fixed the first problem, the first issue. And now we have it right here. So if we put warning, you have 5 words. Yeah, this part works. Okay. This should be a warning. Wait, what? But it's not a warning. That's an error. What? This should be a warning, right? What if we write 12? Wait, what? Why? Wait. Every warning became an error. What? Wait, the warning doesn't work anymore. Wait. Wait, what's going on? I broke the form. Wait. Let me change the... I don't know what... Yeah, I agree. JavaScript is really messy. Yeah, I agree with that. Sometimes JavaScript is like... I don't know, like I saw on Twitter that someone created something like this, and this is a thing, like this is a function, like I literally don't know what that is. Like, this is a lambda notation, and this is a function with the with the lambda notation as a name. Oh, what is this? This returns undefined, by the way. Like, does this print something if I add, console.log a? Yeah, it prints. Like, what is this? Sometimes, like, that's probably why many people hate JavaScript, because sometimes it literally makes no sense at all. Like, okay, now this part works, but this doesn't. Okay. What is this? I'm trying to. Oh wait, I know what that is. No, I actually don't know. Okay, I thought that I would something here, but actually, hmm. Let me check. Let me check the JavaScript. So we have. Oh my god, the indentation is a nightmare. But everything is just generated. So, but Jesus. So we have this if statement. So what's going on? Oh right. Okay, I know what's happening. I'm just dumb as hell. Okay, I know what's happening. So I just added a new rule here. I just have to disable that rule, right? It was a really weird rule. Okay, and now everything works. Jesus, this was, I don't know. Now let's try to add 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay. It works. Warning, you have 5 words. Yep. That's good. That's good. Now the only thing that we need to do, we just have to copy and paste this, right? And then replace this part with this, and we just need to replace this with t.value.length, and that will actually check the length of the string. So let's try to test this out. So if the length is greater than 5, we will throw a warning, and it's like warning you have um, mm, more than 5 characters. Let's see if that works. Let's save it. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I kind of forgot I had the other script that converted the 1, 2, 3, 4 to test. 4, 5. Yeah, it works. Yeah, this. I forgot I had this script here. But look, everything works. Wow. This is amazing.
So today we implemented the front end checks. This is cool, I guess. And now we have to create, we have to adjust the CSS. Let me check how long I'm streaming. Let's just over 2 hours. I will probably stream later, but for now I'm gonna end the stream. Ghost, I don't know if you're still watching the stream, but if you are, thank you so much for watching the stream, for joining, and thank you so much for your support. And for me it's 11 at night. What is for you? Okay, here you can see it's 11 p.m. but actually in Italy is 7 p.m. Italy time now. This is actually the real time in where I live. So thank you for watching the stream, and I will see you probably in a few hours or tomorrow. Wait, it's 11 p.m. for you, so this will be a good night then. Thank you again, and I'll see you the next time. See ya.